Welcome back. Former DGP of Goa, Dr. Aditya Arya, said that he was unable to clean up the beaches of Goa and maintain dignity of Indians in Russian restaurants. Arya said that he was given the task by the President of India while leaving for Goa 7 months before. Dr. Arya's immediate transfer has raised a lot of questions as he was transferred without any prior notice within 12 hours on 20th December.
Outgoing DGP Dr. Aditya Arya spoke to the reporters for the first time after his transfer. Dr. Arya is still upset about the restriction Indian tourists face at Mandre and Morji beaches while entering the shacks controlled by Russians.
Honorable President had desired that I should be able to clean up the beaches. That is one thing. We were already, the plans were underway, we would have done something there. Second thing, I wanted to redeem the national pride. There were lots of complaints coming to me from people visiting the shacks in Mandre and Morjim that there they say that the Indians are not allowed. I was feeling bad. As an Indian, if somebody says in my own house that I'm not allowed here, I feel bad about it. And I hope all of you agree with me. So that was a thing that I wanted to do.
Dr. Arya officially handed over the charge to the new IPS officer Kishan Kumar on Friday after the farewell parade. All the top officers of Goa Police were present for the parade. Arya has termed his tenure in Goa as satisfactory. Arya's transfer is said to be influenced by the politicians as he was tightening noose around Sunburn 2011 festival. Arya has said that he did not demand anything for him. He only asked donation for the police welfare fund.
My boys are there on the road, starting from say Porvari to Kandoli and whatnot. Nobody knows whether they are getting water or not. I requested for some donation to the welfare fund also. This is nothing under board, under the table. It is all requested to them over the board. And this has been done with the concurrence of all my officers.
The DGP was recently in news for raid on Club Virgin at Kalangut. He is now replaced by Kishan Kumar, who was holding charge of Additional Director General of Police in Delhi. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Villagers group from all over Goa have decided to field candidates in all 40 constituencies for the forthcoming assembly election. This decision by the group is a mark of protest against the Regional Plan 2021 and other issues. Candidates will contest the election as independent candidates. More than a dozen of NGOs and village groups held a press conference in Panji on Friday. They had given 17 December as deadline to scrap the Regional Plan 2021. Prakash Bandorkar, president of the Pilen Citizen Forum, announced 16 constituencies where they will field their candidates. They will be non-corrupt, honest, educated, without any criminal background.
आम्ही गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यांनी एक मीटिंग घेवन हे असो एक ठराव मांडला की आता इलेक्शन लागीं पावल्लें आसा विधानसभेचे हे विधानसभेचे इलेक्शनाक आमी 40 आमदार बसयतले हे सरकाराक कितें पळय तें आमी येता ते इलेक्शनाक दाखयतले.
Yatish Naik said that they will not support any party in Goa. He said that Congress shahs ditch Goans on every occasion. He also claimed that the party has failed to fulfill assurances given in their manifestos during the last assembly election.
तुमचे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट आणि बिल्डिंगो आणि हॉटेल आणि कितें फ्लोटिंग बोट आणि गोल्फ कोर्स आणि खंयचे रिसॉर्ट्स आणि हे खाजन लँडांनी बी रिसॉर्ट घाले ते डेव्हलपमेंट न्हय हेलिपॅडां आमी एकूच गव्हर्मेंटाक शिटकावणी दिता. Government every time has betrayed the people. Congress, BJP, NCP, MGP, all of them.
Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Omkar Falari. Agitated residents of Ekta Nagar, Mapsa geared out the PWD office on Friday demanding regular water supply. Angry locals from Housing Board have complained that they are not receiving water supply for the past many days.
Residents of Housing Board Ekta Nagar Mapsa are flabbergasted as they are facing crucial water crisis for the past several days. The residents, especially the women, march on the PWD office at Mapsa. They gear out the junior engineer.
फाल्यां सोडटा म्हणटा आनी 2-2 दीस उदीक सोडटा मागीर सोडीत ना तो आमकां उदक आमी आयल्या नंतर उदक सोडटा आमी हांगा आयली काय उदक सोडटा मागीर 2 दिसांनी परत हांव कितें करपाचें आमी कितें करपाचें उदक सोडिना आमी रस्त्यार येतली हय एक कितें नाका आमी ऑन द स्पॉट रस्त्यार वचपाचें आसा तो येयी काय खंय कोण तो खंय आहा ताका हाडूंक मातसो सांगलो ताका तो हांगा आपूण येयना म्हणून.
The women of Ekta Nagar later blocked the road as a sign of protest. When the assistant engineer of PWD Mapsa, Prakash Surlikar, arrived at the office, the women questioned him about the acute water supply. The agitated residents demanded a written assurance from the AE and the JE. Both have given a verbal assurance that water crisis will be resolved at the earliest. Our reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Jester Culinary and Hospitality Academy has added more colours to the Christmas festival with Festa de Natal. They gave Goans a look of 25 feet tall pyramid of cakes weighing about 500 kilos. Edible photo print on the cake was unique and innovative. This is the first of its kind in Goa.
Have a look at this huge cake. It is 25 feet tall structure with around 560 cakes. This cakes prepared by chef team of Gesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy have been dedicated to the Goans. Unique design on each cake, Goan monuments, culture and cartoon characters with Santa attracting children.
The first concept we landed was edible photo cakes, where many cultural monuments as well as Goan culture related pictures, and to attract students we can also have cartoon Christmas related pictures and combine that together and make into 1000 kgs of cake.
Festa de Natal was inaugurated by Tourism Director Swapnil Naik. Director of American Hospitality Academy, Samir Thapa was the guest of honor.
I also feel that such effort should be there more often now. We are also from the tourism department side trying to start somewhere.
I can carry this concept to our schools in US, Philippines, Nepal, South Africa and China definitely, and this is I think one of the most innovative ideas what students and Gesto has ever created for Goa.
Definitely chef team has taken lots of efforts to come out with this huge innovative structure.
Effort which we have taken is for whole 3 days, 3 working days, for which 2 days went for the baking and 1 day it is for the finishing of the cake. And the final finishing was done within the daytime and is presented here.
Our reporter from Panji, Aparna Gondalkar, with video journalist Onkar Farari.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.